We're gonna have a little bit of fun with this today. Dude, I wanna hear the V8. Let me, oh wait.
Oh yeah, should we disconnect some shit to make it sound better?
Yeah, let's do it. So today, look what we got here. A G80 M3, fresh off of the shipping truck. Here's the first look at the new G80 M3. This is gonna be interesting. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with this today. You know, go to the cul-de-sac and do some stuff that we probably shouldn't be doing. Put this right here so we just protect the carbon from, you know, when you're driving really hard. I'll pull that one off later, but the seats are actually not bad. Obviously this doesn't have the carbon bucket seats, which would have been nice if it did, but yeah, first impressions, it looks really cool. The interior, I should say, but it's a bit too modern for me. I wouldn't really go for a car like this, but it's not bad. It's kind of cool to see how BMW is progressing, but like I said before, I much prefer the simplistic look, but yeah, these cars are getting really nice. So this is going to be the BayOptiks G80 M3. Well, I mean, it is the BayOptiks G80 M3, I should say. Wait, can we go do donuts at the...
We will be doing this.
Whoa.
We have this and the E92 do a figure eight together.
Let's do it.
So currently we are inside a G80 M3 2020 0.
One.
No, 2020 0, bro.
This is the first one to hit the US, right?
I wouldn't say the first.
I'm joking.
This is actually probably the first one in
SoCal, honestly.
no, I wouldn't say SoCal. This is the first one in Orange County, that's for sure. You know? In case if anybody complains and says it's not, this is the first one in Costa Mesa. You know what? Just in case somebody complains, it's the first one at our shop.
That's pretty quick.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
The brakes are insane.
Yeah, for a stock car, I have to say this is pretty damn nice.
What are we doing? We gotta get full power out of this.
Oh, yeah.
Come
Turn
on.
off AC.
All right.
Isn't that just an E9X?
I say when we get to where we have to turn, just mash the brakes.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Smash it right up.
No, I don't want brake dust.
Dude, I want to hear the V8. Let me, oh, wait.
At least not S65.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Tires, brand new tires too. Not even worn down yet.
You know, this engine is really, really strong in the high range.
Yeah, actually it keeps pulling.
Yeah. It actually sounds decent.
Yeah.
Oh my god, did you put a blow-off valve on it already?
Jeez, Trung. Oh yeah, should we disconnect some shit to make it sound better?
Yeah, let's do it.
Like, take off the intakes?
Sounds terrible, honestly.
Other way.
What?
What's happening? We're not doing them over there.
Where'd everyone go? Also, you guys locked me in the fucking building with my cars in the back.
Oh, sorry. I'm in the G80 right now. Let me call you back. No launch control. You can't. You're not allowed to launch until you break it in.
Oh my god.
You already tried it. No, we're not doing donuts here. Go across from right there.
Oh, okay.
Seatbelt.
I'd have to test out the brakes. It's proper braking procedure. This is an extremely in-depth test, Mr. Bomiz. Damn, daddy. Now, before we do some hoonigan stuff, Kennedy's gonna take some juicy photos of the G80 and make it look, well, try to make it look good, at least the front end. It's actually kind of fun to drive, but just feels super disconnected in my opinion. That's also my opinion after driving it for 2 minutes, so. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Dude, Brian! Get back or get snacked!
Watch out, dude!
You animal.
I'm getting used to it. You gotta fucking mash on that to go.
Yeah, it keeps hooking. Dude, but once you got it out, it's just sliding like butter. You look so stressed.
I'm not stressed, but like, I wanna slide it more.
You know what we should have done?
What?
Increase the tire pressure to like 50.
Dude, we should have.
Dude, it would just go.
It hooks like a mother, Mike. It hooks like a mother. I want to drift it more, but I shouldn't. Yeah.
Like a day or two.
All right. All right, that's enough for me before I.
This guy fucking relapses.
Yo, that was sick right there. Yo.
Oh, yeah, that's dope.
Like,
That's
Yeah.
oh my.
Look at this. Look at the POV of the hit.
Not bad, huh?
Dude, Dude, those tires are sticking.
Yeah.
You can see it picking everything up.
Yeah.
When it goes straight, it wants to lock into a wall. When it wants to naturally pick up straight, it's naturally pick up straight in place.
So, what time do you guys do that? So, took off mine.
That's kind of weird.
Thank you, Brian. Should we try one more?
Yeah.
How do you see the cars coming, bro?
You kind of just do it and assume that everybody's gonna stop for you.
Dude, this thing is gonna be hard as fuck to fucking.
Arlen, windows down, man.
Woo! Yeah. She hooks, right?
Oh my god!
There you go, Ryan.
Damn!
Mr. Moby.
I'm on the other side, bro! Oh, fucking red line is
Bro,
fucked.
you were bouncing hard.
Damn.
Why is it not shifty, bro?
Oh my god.
Thank God.
Randy G80, whip the whip.
Gotta break it in properly, man.
Yep, that's how you're breaking it in.
Yeah, that's how you break the G80.
Yeah.
Close. I was about to be like, all right, new thumbnail, G80 total.
I couldn't even see the curves, honestly.
He was just going. Bro, the first one was so close.
Second time, even closer. I was like, all right, bro, I'm out. Later.
Bro, at the end there, you know how like after the last one, how it's just like smoking it. I had no idea I was just bouncing off the red line.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. I was like, bro.
Yeah. Nice little cold start. All right, so battery's about to die. That was a unexpected day. I wasn't really supposed to come by today, but found some time and I wanted to swing by really quickly and saw that the G80 was here, so good coincidence. I was totally gonna do some downshifts for you guys, but we got 3 popos right there. We don't wanna do that. Comment down below what you guys think of the G80 M3, or what was your favorite part? Was it the donuts? Did you guys like staring at the big buck teeth grill on the front? So yeah, let me know what you liked about the video and what I should do next. Should I do other POVs and other cars? I don't know, just a thought, let me know. Obviously we'll never get away from doing POVs in the E92. All right, before I go, you guys know I gotta do some, the light turned yellow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus. Well, on that bombshell, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you want to hear more of these beautiful downshifts and if you want to see some other POV action in some other cars. So if you liked it, comment down below. What other car should I do a POV in and what should I film next? I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching and peace out.